And as we get you the latest on the number of coronavirus cases, let's also look at how India is doing as far as testing goes and the testing capacity. While India has been in fact steadily testing more people every week, some states and the numbers that are coming to light are also something we have to highlight here. One way to look at it is how many tests are being conducted per million population, and we've broken it down state-wise. Now I'll tell you the states that are very worrying at this point. The likes of Gujarat, where there's been such a huge spike in the number of cases. Look at how many people they're testing per million. So it's 84 people per million population who are being tested. Now Gujarat's testing rate at this point is lesser than some of the poorest states in the country. You've got the likes of Madhya Pradesh testing 75 people per million. What's good at this point is Tamil Nadu and Delhi. Delhi, while testing has come down in the last few days, they're still testing considerably a lot more than the likes of Gujarat, because you see that 270 people per million population are being tested. Tamil Nadu, it's 201 people per million. Despite cases going up, Tamil Nadu has made it very clear that they're going to continue to test a lot more. Maharashtra has 111 people per million. But in this particular, when you look at this analysis of tests per million, the numbers that's coming in from Gujarat are very, very worrying. There are two ways really to identify how testing is being done. One is, as I showed you, the tests per million. The other is with regards to the test positivity rate. And this is where Delhi also is being flagged up. In Maharashtra, it's 15.28%. So what it essentially means is that of the people that are being tested, this percentage are positive. So it means that people only who are showing adverse symptoms are being tested, and that's why your test positivity rate is higher. Maharashtra tops the list with 15.28%. Delhi has 11.99% of a test positivity rate, and then you have Gujarat at 8%. This is what is worrying. And while you've got Maharashtra and Delhi having a better score with regards to tests per million, when it comes to the test positivity rate, Maharashtra and Delhi top the list, and that means that they're testing people who only show symptoms. Asymptomatic are not being tested, and that's why the test positivity rate for these states are much higher. These are essentially the two criteria that you look at when you identify whether a state has a successful testing policy or not. And going by what we've just shown you, the test positivity rate and the tests per million, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi, all of them will have to change their testing strategy.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.